Understanding, spend time, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the common English phrase, spend time. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's get started. Spend time is a phrase that means using time to do something or be somewhere. It's similar to how we talk about spending money, but instead, we're talking about using our time. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from leisure activities to work-related tasks. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. I like to spend time with my family on weekends. Here, it means dedicating your time to be with your family. 2. She spends a lot of time studying for her exams. This shows using time for studying. These examples highlight how the phrase can be adapted to different activities and scenarios. When using spend time, remember, it's always followed by a gerund, verb plus ing, or a noun. Avoid confusing it with spend, used for money. Context matters. Spend time can also be used in questions and negatives. For example, how do you like to spend your free time? I don't spend much time playing video games. Notice the structure remains consistent regardless of the sentence type. In different cultures, how and with whom one spends their time can vary greatly. Understanding this phrase helps in grasping these cultural nuances, especially in an international context. And that's a wrap on spend time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using this phrase in your daily conversations. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. See you in our next video.